Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm gonna help you out how to choose between Robinhood or SoFi Invest. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing, because I won't tell you which application is better or which platform is better. I will tell you which one fits you the best, because both applications are great to use, and I won't ever tell something negative about one of those platforms. Just to add here, the goal is to help you avoid confusion when starting investing, so you can choose a platform that matches your style instead of switching later. So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. And the main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. In simple terms, Robinhood is built for quick access to markets, where you can easily buy and sell assets like stocks or ETFs without complicated steps, which makes it ideal if you like direct control over your investments. Then if you look right here to SoFi Invest, the main focus is investing integrated with personal finance. This means SoFi Invest is not just about buying stocks, but also about managing your money in one place, including budgeting, saving, and long-term financial planning, which is helpful if you want everything organized together. Then, if you go to Best for, Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and SoFi Invest is the best for long-term investors and SoFi users. For example, if you are just starting and want to learn how the stock market works with small investments, Robinhood feels more straightforward. But if you are focused on building wealth slowly over time, planning retirement, or setting automated investments, SoFi Invest fits that mindset better. Then if you look to the trading tools, Robinhood has a basic chart and trading tools, and SoFi Invest has an automated investing stocks and ETFs tool. Robinhood gives you simple charts that are easy to understand at a glance, which is good for quick decisions, while SoFi Invest focuses more on automation, meaning your portfolio can be invested and rebalanced automatically without you constantly managing it. Then, if you look right here to the interface on Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner-friendly, and on SoFi Invest, it's more modern and easy to navigate. In practice, Robinhood feels very minimal and fast to use, while SoFi Invest gives you a more structured dashboard experience, which can help you better understand your long-term financial picture. If you look to the fees and trading cost, Robinhood is commission-free on trading, and SoFi Invest is commission-free on stocks and ETF trading. This is useful because it means you can start investing with either platform without worrying about high transaction costs, especially if you are investing small amounts regularly. So, if you're asking me in a quick summary, if you want to choose Robinhood, that is better for simple investing stocks, ETF options trading, and active investing. A good example here would be someone who checks the market regularly, wants to react quickly, and enjoys more hands-on control over their portfolio. And if you want to choose SoFi Invest, it's better for the long-term investing, automated portfolios, retirement planning, and personal finance management. For example, someone who prefers set it once and let it grow investing, with less daily checking and more focus on long-term goals, will feel more comfortable with SoFi Invest. So hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which one will fit you the best. At this point, it really comes down to whether you want active control or automated long-term planning. And once you understand that difference, your decision becomes much easier. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.